Today we are working on a 2012 Chevy Equinox LTZ and we are replacing the liftgate switch. Now to remove the switch, we first want to remove this piece right here from the liftgate. We'll use our trim tool and pry down on it and remove it. Next we have to come over to the left of the latch mechanism, and there is a little cover right here. We want to pry off, and underneath there is a T30 screw. We want to remove that now. Next we need to remove this cover on the liftgate. Now before we can take the cover all the way off, we have to find this switch and remove the electrical connector on the back. Okay, all off. What we do is remove this electrical connector right here, just like that. Now the applique with the switch in it is held in by 4 10mm headed nuts. There's one in there, one here, and one here. I'm using a long reach socket because there is a long stud on there. I didn't drop the nuts, but what I would recommend is you put a little tape in the end of your socket so it would grab that nut, because it could fall into the hatch mechanism. There's the nut. That's the last one. There are 2 clips right here that hold it on, so we have to pop those. Okay, now it's all off. We've got to pry this grommet out of the way so we can get our electrical connection out. What we do is to remove this black plastic piece. We have little fingers right here that hold it on. Pry this out. Push this back out of the way, and we can remove this black plastic piece. Slide this red lock back and release it. Okay, there is the connector all off. Now to remove the switch from the applique, we'll just push down on these pieces very gently. Okay, the switch is all out. Feed our wire out there. Okay, there's our switch, all out. Now all we have to do is reverse our steps from this point right here, and we'll have replaced our liftgate switch on our Chevy Equinox.